First off, a big thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Secondly, it takes 2 seconds. Click that subscribe button. It really helps support my channel and lets me know who's watching. All right, here's today's video.
Hi, my name is Josh. I'm with Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of our Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS. One of the unique things about this reflection is that it features an outdoor kitchen, which is unique to a non-bunkhouse model. So if you're out camping, you can fry up your fresh catch or bacon and not have the inside of your camper smell like your food. We also have this great outdoor fridge, so you can enjoy a cold refreshment while you're cooking. This unit features 2 slide outs, one in the front, one in the back. It also has a huge power awning, outdoor speakers, and LED lighting under the awning. And we also have this huge pass-through storage, so you can store your fishing poles, camp chairs, a variety of camping items. This unit features a power tongue jack, so you don't have to wear your arm out while you're jacking the trailer up or lowering it after hooking up or unhooking. It also features a pair of 30-gallon propane tanks, so you're not going to run out of propane if you're out camping for an extended period of time. Grand Design also features auto leveling on this unit on all 4 corners. This unit features a Furrion hot water heater. It's an on-demand system where you don't have to worry about your hot water running out. With a standard 6-gallon tank in a hot water heater, it's heated continuously as you use it. Now we're inside the Reflection, and what I'd like to show you is the new Furrion 12-volt fridge. What sets this apart from a standard RV fridge is that it does not run on propane. You don't have to worry about your unit being level for it to operate, and it runs much more efficiently. It's powered by a 165-watt solar panel on the roof. Much more efficient, much more effective than a traditional RV fridge. Now that we're here on the inside, we can see the tremendous amount of space that our slide out gives us on our living space. It gives us room for a full dinette for 4. And this unit also features Thomas Paine theater style seating, which includes heated seats and massaging seats, as well as cup holders and a nice little storage for your remotes. Next to our Thomas Paine theater style seating, we have a small couch that folds out into a bed. Directly across from the seating, we have a smart TV and an InnoFlame fireplace that's nearly 5,000 BTUs of heat. Here we have a peek inside the bathroom. One of the neat things about this, with the step-in shower, there's a tri-slide glass door, as well as a tremendous amount of storage for all your bathroom sundries. Here we are inside the bedroom of our Reflection, featuring a queen-size bed with plenty of room to walk on both sides and in the back. Plenty of overhead storage, USB ports on both sides of the bed, and overhead lighting, as well as his and hers hanging closets. That's a quick look at our Reflection 297 RSTS. Again, my name is Josh with Brett's RV and Marine here in Missoula. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check us out at brettsrv.com.
Well, that's my video for today. Again, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. It means the world to me. It takes 2 seconds, but it really helps support my channel and lets me know who's watching. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.